But today, the whole of India, even England, they know that there is a state called Tripura and they have a history, they have the kings, they had the Manakya dynasty, their people are indigenous people of Tripura and they know about us. Why? Confidence. And my young friends and boys and girls, I want you to feel confident. Have that confidence in you. No politician can, कोई भी नेता हो ना बुबागरा को कुछ नहीं दे सकता है, लेकिन जब मैं आपको देखता हूँ ना ऊपर में आप लोग, जब मैं आपको देखता हूँ ना and I see आपके अंदर एक होप, आशा कि कुछ बुबागरा करेगा, तो मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहता हूँ, ना आपका वोट चाहिए मुझे, ना आप बुबागरा एक लोग बोलो, हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हम सिर्फ आपके अंदर एक थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस और जोश चाहता है, क्योंकि ये बार ना this time Bukung Bara people will show all of India that we are capable of delivering and we will, God willing, deliver. Are you with me or not? No, अंदर से बोलो, दिल से बोलो, are you with me or not? Yes! Are you with me or not? Yes! If you're with me, I don't need anybody. I don't need any leaders. I don't need any netas. I have my Tripura people with me.